So here is the Arri 416. This is the power button. And so here is the video breakout box. And if you want to run it on a modern monitor, you will need an analog to digital converter, which we have over here. We have the Blackmagic mini converter. And down here you have the menu for the camera. We're shooting at 2398. And then you can do a quick toggle to your higher frame rate, which we have at 120. We'll go back to normal. And so if you hold down this button, it resets your film count. Let me show you the image, which we don't have the image up right now. So we do that, we turn on the breakout, and now we have an image. And this is a gold mount battery, which was, we over at Alan Gordon, they 3D print this piece so you could run a gold mount battery, but normally they come with the Arri onboard batteries, which you would normally, here's your power ports. But when you're running a gold mount that's not 24, you would use these. We have a P-tap splitter here.